Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited with today's unboxing because this is a box from Aimé Dore. If you are not familiar with the brand, it's a New York-based designer and their collaboration with New Balance has been very popular. And this is a pair of, I believe it's a made in UK 991 that they collaborated with New Balance. Let me open it up. So what's challenging with this purchase was, in order to buy a pair of collaboration sneakers, you have to participate in a lucky draw system. So you choose your sizing and the color, and then you go through your payment, and then afterwards they will do kind of a lucky draw to see if you get picked to purchase the shoes. And I have tried twice in the past and I wasn't picked both times. And this one was my third try, so I guess third time is the charm. I finally got picked to purchase this pair of New Balance and Aimé Dore collaboration shoes, and this one is their 991 made in UK edition. So here is the information and sizing. I believe they say this is true to size, so I just buy my regular size 9. Previously, when I bought New Balance sneakers, I would go for my regular size 9 and they usually fit really well. Their sneakers are so comfortable, that's why I really keep getting more and more. And this one is a Make in England, designed for Mulberry Street. So let's open it up. Inside the box, here's some information. Let's take a look, see if it's really as quality as they say. That's how the packaging look like. Just a really thin tissue paper. And then this is the left side of the shoes. This color is definitely more muted than what I saw online. I think on their website, this part looks a little bit more vibrant, more kind of ginger color, but in real life, it looks more, I would say, kind of a caramel color. It's a combination of leather and the mesh material. It seems that it has quite a big area of this mesh material, so I think this pair of sneakers is going to be very breathable, even though it made with a lot of leather material. And at the back of it, it does say that ALD means Aimé Dore, the New York-based brand. And then on the at the shoe tongue, it says New Balance 991. Behind of it, it does have a tag say Make in England. I would say the construction and the design is quite similar to my 993. I may bring it up and show it to you and get a comparison going. So that's how it looks. The color definitely not as reddish as I thought. I thought it would match with some of my leather bag for fall. But I will have to go through my bag to see if I have any good accessories to match with this pair of sneakers. Showing you the details of this pair of 991. At the back, one side is say 991, one side is say ALD. And looks like it comes with 3 pairs of shoelaces. This is great. So I guess what you can do is, with maybe summer, you can, spring and summer you can do this green color, and then fall you can do this brownish tone, and then for winter you can do this creamy vintage white color. That's kind of cool. And it seems the shoelaces is really high quality as well, really kind of soft cotton high quality shoelaces.